Hey sweaties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to it if you're new here. If you end up liking my video, please like, share, and subscribe. And with that said, I am continuing my Silent Hill playthrough. This is part 2, where we go through the subway and a few other places. By the way, I just want to let you know there were a couple of weird glitches when I was editing. They're very small, but you might see a couple little jarring jerks in the video, but they're very small. You won't even notice. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, let's continue on. We're in the subway now. We have to find our way home. Hopefully we can. I remember this level being pretty confusing, if I remember right. Alright. Hopefully I'll get the controls a little better this time. This emulator does not like behaving with my mouse. Okay. Whoa. What's in here? Wait a minute. Okay. We don't have a map yet, obviously. But I think it's right there. Okay. Maybe. There's a subway map here. But even without looking at this, I still know my way home. I just need to get on the Bergen Street train on platform 3. Okay, well that should be easy, right? No problem at all. Okay. Are we gonna actually find anything on this part of the subway? Probably not. I don't know for sure. The lock is broken. Okay. Alright. Oh, okay, we're going through here. Can we go into here? No, okay. Subway map. I thought we didn't need it. I thought that's what she said. Okay. I wonder if we can get any ammo or anything up here. The ladies' room. Oh, hey, look at that. Handgun bullets. Yay. Hooray. I guess I should look around a little bit then. I was just gonna rush for it. What the hell is that? Oh boy. That's not a good sound. Let's see where we're at. Okay, platform 3 is right behind us. Going down. Alright, I'm sure there's gonna be a whole bunch of dogs down here wanting to eat our ass. Yep, there's one. There's two. Excuse me. No, don't shoot anymore. Okay. Alright. It's locked, of course. Should we go on the track? Oh no. That wasn't a good idea. Oh. Get away from me. Okay. Alright, so this is blocked off. Oh no. We're gonna have to go around then. So let's go this way. I'm pretty sure if we stay on the track, we will eventually get run over. Yeah. Can we get down? And then get back up, like over here? Oh my god! We couldn't even go any amount of distance without dying. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Obviously we're gonna go a different way. Oh, this opens. Nice. So, yeah. And there's a save point. Perfect. I guess I'll save. Subway stairs. That's where we are. Okay. Perfect. Let's see, Renata Street. This is platform 4. We could go down here and see what's up. What is this? Are we gonna get some lore? I read this a long time ago. It's a nothing little occult magazine. Souls of those who died suddenly by suicide or accident didn't realize they're dead. Sometimes they stay put and haunt that particular place. These spirits have lost their human senses, and memories can only keep replaying the pain and sadness of the moment they died. The pain can get so bad that they turn to humans for salvation, or they begrudge humans their lives. At such times, they can possess humans. Places known as famous suicide spots or high accident areas are often to blame. You should be careful when approaching such locations, especially on the day or at the time the death occurred. That is, if you don't want it to happen to you too. Interesting. No, I don't think we really want to be possessed by spirits. The hell was that? That was scary sounding. Okay. Gonna keep an eye out for any weapons or this. Health drink. First aid kit. Oh geez, are we gonna need it? Probably. Alright, I think we're on platform 4. It's a dead end, of course. I think. Well, we can go up this way. Don't do this to me. Okay. We are right back to where we were. Okay. Oh. We can go further down, I guess. Oh god. Okay. So, I think that's all we can get down here. Let's take a look real quick. Yeah, I guess... Well, we have other platforms to explore. I suppose we could go down to 1 and 2. I think we're probably gonna have to. So we'll go back this way. Are they gonna be blocked off? I don't know. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me go back. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay. Of course it's broken. Let's go down here. Okay, there's a lock. We're gonna need a key. The chains holding the doors together are secured with a bolt and nut. The nut is screwed on tight. I can't turn it with my hands. Oh. Okay, I thought there was something on the ground. I guess not. We're gonna need some bolt cutters. Okay, and there's a lock here. But the door's broken. Alright. Oh boy. Ah! Quit running and just die. Okay, this is new. Let's see where we're at. Ooh. We're somewhere. Get away from me. Oh! Bad doggy. Okay. Oh my god, look! Look at that! A nutcracker! I bet we can we break that chain with the nutcracker? I don't know. Alright. Goodbye. Ah! There's too many of them. I'm going this way. Jesus. Ah! Stay away from me. Good lord. Where am I even going? Alright. Okay. Well... let's try to find... that door again? Are we gonna be able to... crack the nuts? We'll find out. Okay, I suppose we could check the other end of here, too. I don't exactly remember where that door was. It's here? Okay. Alright. I bet you the nutcracker's gonna work. Don't quote me on it. Oh, we're hurt. Okay. I didn't realize we were hurt that much. There we go. Now we're in the clear. Items. Hey! Perfect. I used the nutcracker. I wonder what's down here. I don't know. Ooh. Really? I found myself, I can't talk. I found the train car already. Wow. Shotgun shells. I still haven't found a shotgun. I don't know if that's good or bad. What is that? A shotgun! Look at that. Alright, a gift box? No, I guess not. Nobody I know would give me something this gross. But I'll take it anyway. It should come handy against the monsters. Okay. Nice. For a minute there, I was really worried that maybe I had just missed the, shotgun. Is this where I got on, initially? Okay. Let's go out. Ooh. What the hell is that? I don't remember those. Jesus. Okay, the lock's broken. Alright guys, I went and plugged in my gamepad. Let's see if it works okay. Apparently there's stairs right here. Not really sure where this leads. Oh! Okay, this is different. This is good. Yeah, hopefully I can figure out... Well, not that I can figure out. Hopefully all the buttons work on this thing. I think so. Let's see where we are. Oh. We're in a different part of the... subway. Okay. Spooky. Alright, is there gonna be anything down here that we need? I think there's another part of Platform 3. Yeah. So, let's go up this way. Now, we do have that shotgun, which we might need to use. Probably against those big... fat things, I'm guessing. Yeah. Whatever those are. Not to fat shame. Oh, there's a door down there. Okay, I remember this part, man. Even though I haven't played this in like a year. Okay, run! Run, girl! Ah, wrong button. It's locked. Ah! Oh, fuck. Ugh. I keep hitting the wrong button. This is good. Oh my god. Turn. Okay. I just barely made it. This is our train. This is the train we need. Nice. Triggered by going to that door. Oh, fuck. Okay. Slightly scared. Let me see. Okay, this is how to aim. Good. Hey, where'd the open door go? I thought the door opened. Did it not? Did I pass it? Wait, what? It must be on the other side. Is there a door down here? Oh, okay. Nice. Here we are. Yeah, I think I like the controller a little bit more. For sure. Okay, so... let's go up here. I think I'm gonna try to run past some of the enemies. Instead of waste all my goddamn ammo. You know what I mean? Hey, look! We found the door! Oh, and of course we're locked in! Oh, and it's gonna leave! At least we're on our way home. Hopefully. Okay, what's this? There's a newspaper on the floor, it's nothing but garbage. Okay. And a save point. The symbol drawn on the floor. I hope I don't get cursed just by stepping on it. Okay. We'll save a little bit lower. There we go. We're on the train. Okay. I like how I'm hitting the wrong button. How do I get out? Ah! There we go. There's too many buttons. What is this? Just a newspaper. Okay. Oh boy. Oh no. Haven't seen these in a while. Nice. Is that something we can get? Oh, it's just juice. Okay. Wow, I can actually change the angle with this gamepad. Nice. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot easier. Okay. Damn. Sorry, guys. It was not your lucky day. I guess I'll kick you, too. Okay, I should probably be looking at the seats. Make sure I'm not missing anything. I'm saving the, shotgun. In case there's any of those big dudes in here. And I think there are, from what I remember. I'm not positive on that, though. Okay. Seeing a bunch of crash. How many train cars are there? Holy shit. Uh-oh. Oh! We've stopped. Okay. Wow. We're like the bravest, teenage girl in the world. For sure. Okay. There's some graffiti on the wall. And another save point. Okay. Why not? Nice. Okay, here we are. We got off. I don't think we're home, though. Yeah. Is that a door right there? It is. Where are we? This does not look like home. We don't have a map. Yeah, I don't even know where we are. I guess we'll find out. Whoa! Oh god! Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna run. Oh no. The lock is broken. Okay. We gotta go the other way. Ah! Oh, wait. Where the hell are we going? Wait, am I going backwards? No. I don't think so. Oh god. Oh boy. Ow! Son of a bitch. Of course we have no map. Let's see how my health is. I don't remember how to... Okay. Oh, my health is good. Nice. Okay, here's another door. Oh. Oh. Did I literally just go right back? Oh, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know where I am. I need a map. Oh. Oh my god. I just got a maul. Okay, let's equip that. Wrong button. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, yeah! I like this. There's a toolbox here, but there's nothing really useful. Oh wait, is that a map? Nice. I got the underpass map. We're in the underpass, baby. Okay. Oh god. What is that? Ah! Okay. That was rude. Okay. I apparently can't hit it with this. This must take a long time to swing. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna use this right now. Holy shit. Alright, yeah, let's do a health drink. Let's change our weapon. How do I go over there? I'm still not sure. Okay, hold on, let me do the mouse. Weapons. We'll do the pipe for now. Okay. There we go. Wait, what? Shotgun shells. Okay. Oh, that's not a door. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Alright. We're good. Okay. That mall looked cool, but it was hard to swing, apparently. Okay. Let's go that way if we can. Nice. Wine in a place like this? Well, I suppose it is dark and dry. Only one of the bottles is empty. We got a wine bottle. Okay. What are we gonna need that for? I have no idea. Okay. I think we need to go this way. Oh my god. Okay. Is that a bigger one? I think it might be bigger than the other ones. Still easy to kill, though. Okay. Ooh. I like this part of the game. This is... Ow, this is spooky. Okay, I'm getting my ass kicked, guys. Run, goddammit. Have I already been in here? I think so. Maybe. No, I have not been here. Okay. Oh, those guys were tough. I did not like those guys. Should I look at my health again? Doesn't hurt to take one more drink. Okay. This is a long way home, man. It shouldn't be that difficult to get home from the subway. Ooh. Of course, we are in Silent Hill world, where shit ain't normal. Okay, we have a couple ways to go here. Okay. Let's go this way. Or not. Okay. What is all that noise, guys? What is that? It's a teeny tiny door. Okay. Are we gonna be able to go in here? Oh, okay. I don't remember a lot of this part. Really don't. This might be the fuel tank, though there's nothing in it. Okay, so maybe we're gonna fill the wine bottle up with fuel. Is that fuel? No, it's dirty water. Okay. Interesting. I mean, we're not gonna fill the wine bottle up with that, are we? For some weird reason. I'll try while we're here. Oh. Okay. I didn't think so. But it doesn't hurt to check. Okay. Ugh. Okay, wrong way. Oh boy. It's a little one. Okay. Wow, that's a noisy motherfucker. What is that? There's some stuff here. Handgun bullets, shotgun shells. It looked like there was something... Okay. Yeah, there's more health drinks. Over here. Somewhere. Where are they? The camera still hates me. Oh my god. What is that? Wait, I thought I saw health drinks. Okay, there they are. Okay. What is this? Wait. Okay, I know what that is. But no, the thing with the handle, what is that? Is that a vacuum cleaner or something? What is that? Okay, there's some kerosene left in the heater. Okay. Alright, look. I'm ahead of the game. I knew before she knew. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna go back. And, to the other room. Is it this way? Oh, I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? I am. Okay, let's turn around. Alright. Oh, boy. Not another one. Okay. I hope it's dead. Okay, we need to go in here. Not at the dirty water. Is this gonna empty the water out? Drain it so we can go down the ladder? I'm guessing so. I'm so glad I decided to try my, gamepad. Holy shit. Yes, I can use it here. I'm just not close enough, I guess. Okay, don't tell me this. Thank you. Put some kerosene in the fuel tank. Yeah. Okay, now what? Now what I do? What'd I do? Is there some button over here I need to push? What kind of machine is this? It looks like it doesn't work anymore. Okay, I put kerosene in it, so... What does that do? Now I'm confused. There's a hoist here, but how should I... Oh, wait, there's a button here. Looks like an on and off switch. Yeah. Alright. Nice. We're draining the water out. Sweet. We're gonna go down. Thanks to that thing, all of the water is finally drained out of the hole. It looks like I'll be able to get down there now. If I can stand the smell. That is. Oh, we can stand it. I can't imagine, the world of Silent Hill smells too well. Let's be real. This must be where the water gets drained out. Okay. Does our map work here? It does. Okay. That sounds, though. That's some sexy sounds. I just got turned around. Okay. Ugh. It's dark. It's so quiet. It's probably not a good thing. I don't remember this part at all! What the hell? Was I, like, drunk or something when I was playing this the first time? I have no recollection of this. Oh. Ah! Oh, we can jump down, okay. That's okay then. Alright. What the hell? Is that a sewer rat? A big old giant sewer rat? What time is it? 12:15. What is that down there? There's something down there, I think. Oh, I think maybe I do remember this. I think there's a boss fight coming. Coming up, maybe. Nice, nice. What is all this shit? It's a lot of garbage. Where the hell did all that come from? Just wasting my time looking around here, I better get going. Okay, so there's nothing in here that we need to look at? I guess we just got, health drinks. What is this, though? A hairdryer! Oh no, what's that for? Okay, is that all we need? Oh, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Oh god. Okay. I guess we're good in here, right? Okay. Where are we going? Okay. Okay, that looks like it's a door right there. Wrong button, again. I will never learn. Do not hit me. Okay. They kind of look like uncircumcised penises with legs. Or maybe I just see penises and everything. I don't know. Danger, keep out! It'll probably be posted on the door here. I can see where it fell off. Okay. Oh look, another save point. Does that mean we're maybe close to a boss? I just feel like we are. Okay. It's too dangerous to cross. I have a bad feeling about this. Are we gonna fall in? What's gonna happen? Okay, there's a boss. Oh my god! No! Oh! Holy fuck! Are we dead? I think we're dead. That's okay, though. We just saved, so it's fine. Okay. We'll just continue on. Okay, so we don't want to cross. What do we do? Should we not even go in that room? Danger, keep out, yeah. Okay, well, I don't want to cross. Okay, yeah. There's an owl. Okay. We're gonna fry that motherfucker. Alright. Time to fry, baby. Poor thing. It was so young. It was only like 3 days old. A true tragedy. Nice. I am too cool for school. We already know that. We know. Okay. I'm not gonna get there. The drum is in the way. There's something inside. I doubt I can move it. Okay. That's fine. You don't need to move it. Now where are we? Oh. We're on the other side. Okay. What is that? No! I didn't mean to do that. I'm gonna go over here. Get up. Okay. Yeah. Alright, there's a locked door. I cannot see where I am going. Oh no, I hate those. Ooh. God damn. Oh, damn. What was that? Oh no. Ooh. Okay. There's stuff all over, but definitely nothing worth bringing along. Okay. I can't get in. There's an iron gate blocking the way. True. There's a lot of truth to that statement. Ooh, we're gonna go up. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, squishy! It's squishy again. Why is it so squishy? Okay. Alright, is there anything in here I need? Oh! A save point. They're putting a lot of save points in this game, which is a good thing. I don't remember. I didn't remember there being so many. That's what I'm trying to say. There's one around every corner. The electricity is off. The elevator will not work. Okay, where are we now? Where are we? Are we at the construction site? Still? Ooh. God damn. What is that? Is that nothing? Okay. The lock is broken. The third level ceiling is crumbled. For safety's sake, entry is forbidden. Oh, the door's shut. Okay. Locked anyway. What did that say? A toolbox, but there's nothing useful inside. Oh. The fourth level floor is crumbled. For safety's sake, entry is forbidden. We're going all the way up. Up to the ceiling? Ooh. Ooh. Look. A fully explorable horror game bathroom. It's a toilet! I thought this building was still under construction, but it looks like this has been used. Ew. What used it? Like, a monster? Do monsters poop? I don't know, but I ask the real questions. So, somebody has to ask them, even if they make us feel uncomfortable. Handgun bullets. Ugh! Wait, what? Drop what? Hold on a minute. Ugh, a filthy mattress. Drop the mattress into the hole. Okay. Are we gonna use it as like a padding for when we jump in? Health drink. I think we're gonna go down though. We. Oh. Convenient that there was a nice, soft, comfy mattress right there. We're also very smart. I keep saying that, but we are really fucking smart. Oh god, oh no! Ah! What the? What do we do out here? I don't think there's anywhere to go out here. Oh, yeah, there is. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's go in here. The tabletop is covered with papers. I don't see any info that might come in handy. Okay. This looks like a really small room. Okay, not much exploring to do. It's a mannequin catalog. Why am I talking so weird? I guess this is the reception area for a mannequin company. Oh, great. Everybody loves mannequins. Okay, we don't have a map of this area. Great. Ooh. I'm always scared I'm gonna miss a map. I don't know if it's possible. It probably is. You probably just miss a map. Alright, I guess that's nothing important. Ooh, where's the map? What the hell? There's mannequins. Shotgun shells. Okay. Wait, there's something else over here. More shotgun shells. What? Hold on. I didn't miss anything down here, right? So, this is the only mannequin with a head. There's something weird about the headless ones. Like, they can still see me or something. Ick. Okay. The head is the only noteworthy thing about it. It's just a mannequin. Okay. What? What the hell? This is blood. Yeah, it is. That was weird. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, where do we go now? I'm definitely missing something. There must be a door I'm missing. Okay, hold on. Wow, I'm really good at this. Okay. Some of these look like doors, but they're not. Oh, here we go. Okay. We're good now. Ah! Slow down, dog. Okay. Oh my god! Alright. You know what? Ah! F you! Okay. We need to explore further on that floor, but I need to kill that dog, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my shotgun. Handgun, I mean. That should be fine. Not too worried. Ow! Oh my god! Jesus! Stop shooting! Okay. Let's see how our life is. It's still not bad. Actually. What is that noise? Holy shit. Oh. The desk is cluttered up. It doesn't look like there's anything... Yeah, there is. There's bullets right there. Wait. Or is that just tape? Maybe that's just like tape or something. I don't know. I swear to God, it looks like some bullets or something. It is. God damn it. What is this? Our map! Okay. Good. I was scared for a minute. There we go! Dance Hall Office. Nice. I guess we'll go back up. Broken. First aid kit. Looks like some magazines. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, that's it for this part, and I'll be back soon with part 3. Okay? Peace.